As a legacy automaker, Chevrolet is expected to deliver excellence. With over a century of history, the Bowtie brand has consistently produced vehicles that earn top industry accolades, including our Car, SUV, and Truck of the Year awards. Most recently, Chevrolet claimed our golden calipers for the impressive Colorado pickup and the Blazer EV, reaffirming its position as a major player in the rapidly expanding electric vehicle market. However, to the surprise of many, including early buyers, Chevrolet abruptly halted production of the Blazer EV despite its award-winning debut. The decision stemmed from widespread software issues reported by owners, affecting critical systems such as brakes, motors, batteries, charging, and body controls. Infotainment crashes further compounded the problems. After implementing a series of software fixes, Chevrolet reintroduced the 2024 Blazer EV a few months later, this time at a lower price and with the issues addressed. Now, we welcome the 2025 Blazer EV RS RWD to our long-term test fleet. This extended review will determine whether Chevrolet has truly resolved the problems that plagued its former SUV of the year. It also marks our first opportunity to evaluate a rear-wheel drive variant of the Blazer EV over an extended period. How our Blazer EV arrived. Our test vehicle arrived in sleek black exterior paint, paired with a bold black and adrenaline red interior featuring multicolor ambient lighting. As an RS model, it boasts striking 21-inch wheels with machine-finished faces and black-painted accents. While we previously dubbed the Blazer EV a swagger wagon for its aggressive styling, this particular configuration exudes a more serious, almost governmental presence. Inside, the cabin has already sparked mixed reactions. Some find it sophisticated, while others call it loud. Over the next year, we'll closely monitor how the black paint and red synthetic Evitech seats hold up under daily use. Upgrades for 2025. Alongside addressing specific issues with the Blazer EV, Chevrolet introduced key upgrades for the 2025 model year. Our Blazer EV RS RWD benefits from a power boost, now delivering 365 horsepower from its rear-mounted permanent magnet motor, an increase of 25 horsepower over the 2024 version. Notably, it also surpasses the power output of the Blazer EV RS AWD, which competed in our SUV of the year testing with a combined 288 horsepower from its dual-motor setup. Even with the 2025 update, the AWD variant now maxes out at 300 horsepower. Given this boost, we expect our long-term test vehicle to be at least as quick as the award-winning 2024 model, if not a bit faster. Built on General Motors' Ultium platform, the Blazer EV impressed us with how it made electric vehicle technology feel intuitive and accessible. Over the next year, we'll be evaluating whether that impression holds up. On paper, our Blazer EV RS RWD has all the right specs. A sizable 102 kilowatt-hour battery pack, DC fast charging at speeds up to 190 kilowatts, and AC charging up to 11.5 kilowatts. Its EPA-rated range of 334 miles is particularly impressive, surpassing the 283-mile range of the AWD versions. A thoroughly modern Chevy, this 2025 Blazer EV RS RWD comes loaded with technology we're eager to put to the test. Its standout feature is a massive 17.7-inch infotainment display, distinguished by a unique curved kink on the right side. Running Google built-in applications, the system promises robust functionality, but there's a notable omission. No Blazer EV includes Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. That means we'll be spending the next year relying on Google Maps, Google Assistant voice commands, and apps from the Google Play Store to determine whether native services can compensate for the lack of traditional phone projection. Fortunately, over-the-air software updates should help keep the system fresh with regular enhancements. We'll also sadly do without GM's excellent Super Cruise hands-free driving technology. This feature is available on the AWD LT and RS trims, but standard on the high-performance Blazer EV SS, and we opted for more range over the award-winning driver assistance system. For the next year, we'll instead work with the Blazer EV RS RWD's standard suite of driver assistance technology, which includes emergency braking, forward collision alert, front pedestrian braking, following distance monitoring, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and high beam assist. There's a 360-degree surround view system with several camera modes as well. All of this is to say that we won't be suffering if our Blazer EV is without issues. Heated and ventilated seats with memory settings for the driver, a heated steering wheel, and wireless phone charging are enough to keep most folks coddled. Chevy also equipped the panoramic power sunroof with 2 panels and sliding functionality, which is a $1,495 option. It also gets the RS convenience and driver confidence package, bundling a head-up display, heated resting points for the windshield wipers, rear heated seats, and a digital rear-view camera for $1,395. A dual-level charge cord rounds out the extras for $295. The Blazer EV RS RWD starts at $55,595, and our long-term loan is optioned to $58,780. We also rated Chevrolet's accessory catalog, adding a retractable cargo shade and an OEM North American charging standard and a CS adapter that provides access to Tesla's supercharger network for $195 and $225 respectively. Spending nearly $60,000 on a new all-electric SUV with a colorful reliability record isn't a decision we'd take lightly. So we're going to do our diligence to record the highs and lows of our simulated ownership experience. After all, we're hoping Chevy proves us right that its all-electric SUV deserves its golden calipers. Blazer EV, don't let us down.